All right, you might be wondering right now, how the hell does this guy that sells potato chips by day make $50,000 a month by selling two offers? Somebody call the police. So the first thing, I'll wait till these guys go by. What is it, an ambulance? Who knows? Anyways, the first offer that I have is $7. And I teach people how to build a massive list from scratch. Now, I've built dozens of YouTube channels, dozens of them, but I never always had a website. I'll be honest, I was trying to monetize my YouTube channel and go, okay, if I get 100 subscribers, that's going to be awesome. If I get 500 subscribers, that's going to be awesome. If I get 1,000 subscribers, well, I have one channel that got me over 5,000 subscribers and I didn't make a nickel on it. Why? Because I didn't have a place for those subscribers to go. And like Sonny Lenarduzzi says, you can't take your subscribers to the bank, which is literally why I created this brand new YouTube channel. It's only a few weeks old by the time you're watching this video, because I wanted to start again from scratch and share with you how you can actually generate an income even while you're doing your day job with just 2 offers. So this is how it works, okay? I'll explain it, then you can go check it out and see for yourself. So I have one offer that's $7, and you could make a killing. You could make a killing. I know a guy that is making over $500,000 a year with one offer, one $7 offer. So I know this is possible. So I have one offer that's $7, and then I have another offer that is $97, and these are virtually the same offer, and that's the trick here. They're virtually the same offer. The first one is if you get my email course, and basically it's I show you how to build a website, I show you how to build your YouTube channel, the strategy, the theory behind it, all this kind of stuff. If you buy the course right now for $7, you get access to, I believe it's 10 videos, but you'll also get access to a couple bonuses, and actually it's more like 4 bonuses. I keep slipping in bonuses. Because why? Because I want to reward action takers. People that take action get rewarded in life, honestly. If you can make a decision like this, you're going to be rewarded. And I'm not talking being like impulsive, like going to buy a new set of a new wardrobe full of clothes and all this kind of stuff. I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about you're making a business decision. You're like, is this worthwhile for me to make a split-second decision to buy a course for $7 that teaches me how to do all this stuff, including the psychology behind it? Is it worth investing $7, basically the price of coffee, to check this out? And if you're not satisfied, I'll refund your money. It's real simple. It's real simple. If you don't think the material that I share with you is worth $7, then I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say. But I want to take all the excuses out and reward action takers. So my first program is 10 videos. If you buy it right now, it's $7. If you want to see, and this is where the $97 product comes in, the $97 offer. If you want to see a sneak peek of the course, you can watch the first 4 videos for free. So 4 out of the 10 videos. So you get a snapshot, and you're like, you splash over to the next page, and you're like, oh man, I like these 4 videos. I want this course. But you realize because you skipped over the last page where you get everything plus bonuses for $7, now you get the course for $97, but you only get the 10 videos. And this is where you can make a killing, because you're rewarding people to take action, and you're true to your word, because when they look around the page, they're like, hey, there's bonuses here, but I can't get access to them, and it's $97. How does that work? How come that's more expensive? Well, it's because I'm trying to teach you to be an action taker. And the people that take action will actually save money in the end. So this is how you can actually structure your own online course. You don't even have to finish it. I finished my course, but you don't have to finish it. I built 2 or 3 videos at the beginning because I didn't really know what to talk about at first. I just started recording videos, and then all of a sudden the light came on. I'm like, this is what I would have needed a few years ago if I wanted to do my own thing. This is what I needed to know, and I wish somebody taught me this. I wish Ty Lopez taught me this. I wish Gary Vaynerchuk. I wish Grant Cardone, Russell Brunson. There's a siren again. I wish all these guys had taught me the psychology behind generating a massive list and how to get people to subscribe and all this kind of stuff. I wish they taught me this. So this is why I created a brand new channel from scratch, because I don't care how many subscribers I have. In reality, what happens is 60-70% of the people that watch your videos do not subscribe to your YouTube channel because they may not have a YouTube channel. So what you need is you need a link to your website in your description so they can go, you know what, I just need to know. And really, people are starting to watch YouTube videos from the comfort of their home, and they want to know, where do I go to learn all this stuff? MassiveLists.com. So you keep it simple. You buy a domain that's really simple, and I teach you all this stuff in the course. It's $7. That's it. It's $7. It's like you and I sitting down for a cup of coffee. You buying me a cup of coffee, and I'm sharing you all this information for $7. Or you can wait, and you can go watch other videos and all this kind of stuff. But I'm telling you, it doesn't matter how many subscribers you have. It's what you're actually teaching people to do next. So you build a YouTube channel like this, and you have links in your description to take them to your website, and in there you have 2 offers. First one is a ridiculous offer. It has to be ridiculous. So I made sure my course is easily worth $1,000. I charge $7 if you do this right now. If you subscribe right now, it's $7. If you wait and want to see some more freebies and delay, it's $97 with no bonuses attached. No bonuses. So this is how you need to set up your stuff. And then while you're doing your day job, all of a sudden you check your PayPal account, you check your Stripe account, and all of a sudden it's $7 here, it's $7 there, it's $97 here, it's $7 there, $7 there, and you're building a pipeline that can't be turned off. And when the next recession happens, which I promise you, there's another recession coming. It's probably going to happen in the fall, in January, in the new year. But there's a lag happening right now. We're not going to feel the pinch right now. We're starting to, with fuel prices going up and all this stuff. This is why you need to have your own product or service. You need to sell your own stuff online. And what I show you is the psychology behind it, the method to it, tying everything together, tying your autoresponder. Like I have emails going out, so when people subscribe to they get to MassiveList.com, they see what my website is all about, and they subscribe, splashes them to the next page, and now you have a 2-prong offer. They can act now, $7, wait, $97. That's it. And I built all that stuff. Now I can go back to work, and whenever I get a moment, I just create videos like this. And I'm telling you, if you do it the other way, like I've done for years, build a YouTube channel, and you're like, oh man, I just need 1,000 subscribers and then I'll build my website. I'm saying, no, don't do it that way. Instead, build your website first. Go to GoDaddy, buy a domain for like $15. I use HostGator. I link my GoDaddy domain. I forward it to HostGator because you get unlimited emails. So Shane at MassiveList.com, all that kind of stuff. I I can create a dozen or more, hundreds of emails if I wanted for one company. Connect all that, and then I use Thrive Themes to build my website as well, because they have freaking awesome templates in there, and that's it's usually $300 a year. You don't have to go that route. You can just use HostGator, you can use WordPress and all this kind of stuff. But I'm telling you what it takes to actually build a little mini business where you can start generating anywhere from $97 to $200 every single day on autopilot. And that's the secret sauce right now. You have to have this all automated. Then phase 2 is actually creating content on your YouTube channel that gets people to move over to your website. Because again, it doesn't matter how many subscribers you have, because if you can rank your video on the first page, the majority of people that are watching your YouTube channel do not have a YouTube account. So that's something to remember. There's like 60-70% of the people will watch a video, they won't subscribe, but a percentage of them will actually go and visit your website and they'll check it out. Some will buy, some won't. I also have a free course that that I created, but basically I show you how 50 of the top gun mavericks of the online space, how they write their emails and why they're building a massive list. See, this all ties together with my company, massivelists.com. This is how you build a massive list. You need your own website. I can't harp on this enough, because some of you still aren't doing it. You're like, I'll go on TikTok, I'll go on Instagram, I'll go on Twitter and all this kind of stuff. And I'm like, no, don't do that at the beginning. Build your website, buy a domain. Don't even worry about the content just yet. That'll come. Just have an idea, general idea of what you're good at, what you like to talk about based on your experience, and you know that you can help someone. That's pretty common sense. If you can help one person, and then you have an offer, $7, and make it a ridiculous program, a ridiculous offer. Like I said, I have 10 videos and it's growing. I'm adding bonuses to it. Like, it's a no-brainer at the end of the day. But when you're making $7 per person, it starts to add up. I'm telling you, it adds up to your bank account, to your Stripe account, and it just takes the pressure off of your work. All of a sudden you can skip a little bit to work, because you know you're building a pipeline. And that's it for today's video. I know it's a little bit long, but I gotta go back to work. Anyways, thanks for watching. I will see you in another video. Bye for now.